Today we're going to take a look at the TnP-500, the most affordable appliance test and print kit on the market. The TnP-500 features our Wavecom tag printer, a barcode scanner, 5,000 item onboard memory and a keyboard for data entry, all contained in a hard shell case. Designed and made in Australia to make AS/NZS 3760 testing quick and easy, the TnP-500 is ideal for anyone looking for a budget-friendly solution for high-volume test and tag work. The TnP-500 includes preset test procedures for Class 1, earth bond and insulation at 250 or 500 volts, Class 2, insulation at 250 or 500 volts, extension leads and power boards, earth bond, insulation, polarity and continuity, earth leakage tests, and trip time and ramp current tests for testing both portable and fixed RCDs. It also includes a meter mode for measuring current, voltage and power of an appliance, and a mains power supply test. To run a test, enter your item information into the database using the keyboard. Connect your test leads. And selecting your required test. The TnP-500 will run through the tests required under the standard, give you a pass or fail result, and print a tag. The integrated thermal transfer printer prints clear, long-lasting test tags that include all the relevant information you might need, including who tested the appliance, when it's due for retesting, and most importantly, a barcode. Your item and test result will be saved to your database, which makes retesting really easy. Just scan the barcode to retrieve the item from your database, make any changes if you need, and then start your test. For reporting and analysis, you can also transfer your test results to WinPat's Web Manager. To learn more about WinPats, you can visit www.winpats.app. The TnP-500 requires a mains power source for all testing. If you think you might need a battery-powered test and print kit, take a look at the TnP Prime or TNT Titan kit. The TnP-500 features our latest RCD isolation design, meaning you won't need external isolation transformers to test portable RCDs. The TnP-500 is contained in our heavy-duty case. From experience, I can safely say this can handle just about any work site, from mining sites in the outback to ships at sea. The TnP-500 comes with test leads, a power lead, a roll of test tags and a 12-month calibration certificate. And with a 3-year conditional warranty, a range of training tutorials and guides, and ongoing custom support from me and the rest of our sales and support team, the TnP-500 is an excellent value option for high-volume test and tagging. To learn more about our range of portable appliance testers and software solutions, visit our website www.wavecom.com.au.